Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be creating a spread in my creative journal. So my favorite planner out of all of them. So today we are going to be doing October 31st through November 6th. I'm going to be using the Halloween sticker book from Planeating as well as the fall icons from Calva Plan. So I thought I'm gonna do something slightly different this time, so hang around if you want to see it. And while I'm doing this, I wanted to welcome you to my channel if this is your first time here, and if you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, I am so thankful and I'm so glad you're here. So first and foremost, I'm gonna put Halloween on the edge and maybe like October 31st up there as well. So what I want to do is create a spread where Monday is going to be black for Halloween, obviously, right? And then the rest of the spread will be kind of separated. I did this year with the seasons when we had the fall going, well, summer going into fall. I did like a separation in many little stickers, and I thought that was fun. I want to try to do this one and see how that looks. So I'm placing a box down, a decorative box from Planeating, and then I'm going to place a long one for journaling purposes. And I think that might work for Halloween. Let's see. And then let's see what else can I do. And like I said, the rest of it will be from Calva Plan fall icons. I think that's such a great little book to have. If you don't have it, I highly recommend it. So is the Planeating, but those get sold out so fast, and then there's no way for you to get them once they're sold out. So hopefully at one point she will restock them. So if you watched my monthly, I used these stickers for the monthly spread in the actual journal, so I wanted to continue going with that. I really love the colors and the vibe with like the cozy weather and all of that, so I wanted to include all of this in here. So that's what I'm doing. I'm adding these beautiful journaling boxes from Calva Plan, as I do journal quite a bit in here. And then we'll add other elements of decorations and stickers and so on around it. So let's go from there. So we have this one. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the lines and then place, well, let's get the line out. Okay. And place this little hot chocolate mug. I think that's so awesome. So here we go. I think that's great. Now let's go ahead and add some other things to it. I think I want to use this. Let's see. Why are these stickers so hard to take off, you guys? Like, am I doing something wrong? Like, I'm having the hardest time. And I do have sharp nails, and I'm not even trying it with the nails. So I put a little pine cone in the edge. I think that's so cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and keep adding these until I am happy with it. Oh, look at these pumpkins. I love them. I gotta have some pumpkins in my life. So let's place some of these in here. Maybe I can make my own little like patch. Let's see. Yeah. And for sure, I can feel the weather getting colder and like everything happening. So look at that. Okay. And then last one. Yeah, I think these look gorgeous. Okay. So I made my own little arrangement. I'm gonna add that one. Like, I don't know. I really am like, I make it so pretty and I don't know what to do. So I do need some other boxes for journaling. So I'm gonna add a gray one here because I do like to bring gray, especially next to black. But maybe let's move it to this one to get it more balanced. Yeah, okay, so we have the same color on both sides. I'm gonna add a red one right here. Okay, let's keep going. Look at this beautiful vase. Like, this decoration is so beautiful. Okay, and it's crooked. Oh my lord. Why do I do this to myself? Like, why? Why? At this point, if somebody asks me for a secret power, I probably will say that I want to place stickers straight. I know how silly it sounds, but it would make my life so much easier. Okay, let's go ahead and add a couple more decorative items to here. I don't know if I want this sweater or not. I can't decide. So I'm gonna put it back just for a second while I entertain the idea of other stickers in here. I do kind of want a clean look though. So let's see. Now the gray box. Maybe I can add this red one next to it, and I'll have gray, orange, and red, and one next to that black. So I think that might look good. Let's see. Yeah, let's add this decorational box into here as well with the cozy sweaters, because who doesn't like that? They look so warm and inviting that, oh my lord. So warm. Okay. So I'm gonna gently lift this up and then place it closer like that. Okay, that looks much better actually, so I'm gonna leave that be. And let's keep going. I have a few more things to add, I think, so it looks slightly better. As you guys know, I love my stickers and I love my spreads. So as long as I can play with this and I can make it pretty, I'm gonna keep going. So I'm gonna add some of these pumpkins to here like so, and I will add a box so I can write anything major that's happening on that Sunday. So I think that's very good. Okay, and I have a flower. I'm gonna add some of this flower into the spread to bring more color as well. So I think I'm gonna add half of it right here, like peeking out, so it's nice and layered. I think I like that a lot. And then maybe another one right on top of there. Let's see. Yeah, I think that looks good actually. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, glad that worked out. I wasn't expecting that, but hey, it works. Yay. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add a few more things. So I need to add maybe like a pumpkin, or I don't know, let's see, maybe a pumpkin. Okay, but that's too white. So if you have a sticker that's too white and it's transparent, all you have to do is like erase the edges of the box, and look at that, voila, all good. And then next thing that I need to do is add maybe another one to Saturday. But before I do that, I want to finish some of this Halloween stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a tree to Monday. So it's like a two little trees. Okay. And then I'm gonna take a spider web and put it in the corner of the black box. I think that might look cute too. As you guys know, I like my spreads pretty full and I love writing in them. I am not one to add too many stickers when I'm writing, because usually I'm writing either like on lunch at work or on the go. So I now have all of my stickers accessible after I plan, because this planner travels with me wherever I go. So after that, I'm pretty reliant on what I created prior to writing in it. So that's why I'm usually pretty detailed of where I want things. Okay, so I added one more pumpkin like I said, and then I'm gonna pop this back in the planner, see how it looks, and then we'll go from there. There's a couple pieces that I don't like, so I'm gonna grab my washi tape. I'm gonna find a color that matches, like that brown orange. It's like that burnt orange, and then hopefully I can cover some of these pieces that I really don't like the smaller gaps and stuff. But look at the match. It is so good. It's exactly the color of the pumpkins. It's a little lighter than the orange on like in the backgrounds and at the edges of the boxes, but it's pretty close, so I'm gonna leave it be. And I'm gonna grab a gift card, and there we go. That's how I cut my washi. I know it's such a like old style way right now, but that's what I like, and that's what I'm gonna do. So now I'm gonna add a couple more pieces to fill in the areas. And just so you guys know, sometimes I do add stickers after I'm done, but not very often. Usually I remove a couple if I need to, rather than add to add space. But outside of this is the last thing I'm doing, is adding that orange to the edge up there, and I am all done. I hope you guys had fun. If you did, give it a thumbs up, let me know how you like it, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye. Also, happy Halloween.